By the end of this lesson, students should be in teams of 4 to 6 people and should have chosen a social issue that they are going to address. The goal of the first few activities is to get students thinking about social issues in society, prompting them to think about social issues that they see, to define the term social issue, and think about possible causes and links between them. The first 2 activities are video-based. There are 6 videos in the lesson folder, and it's up to you which videos you choose to play. During the discussions in this lesson, you may find that there's some lively debate around these issues, so it might be a good idea to set some safe space and ground rules before you start. As a class, students will come up with a definition of the term social issue. There is a recommendation included in the notes on the PowerPoint. You'll then need to read out a case study, so we recommend printing that out from Lesson 1 folder prior to the start of the lesson. Students will be asked to identify social issues and draw links between the issues they identify in the case study. Students are then asked to think about who is responsible for tackling these social issues and what challenges different groups or individuals might face. Depending on the class, you can lead the discussion, or you can ask students to work in pairs or groups to think about who's responsible. Either way, there is an example on the PowerPoint. Before the end of the lesson, students should consider their local community and the social issues that they see in it. You can divide them into teams of 4 to 6, and the teams should now decide which social issue they want to address in their team. You can find a list of suggested social issues in the coursebook if they're stuck for ideas. At the end of each lesson, students are asked to reflect on knowledge or skills that they have developed in that lesson. They will tick red, amber or green in their coursebooks to indicate how they rate their own skills or understanding. In Lesson 1, they will rate their understanding of social issues. Next lesson, they will begin to research local charities that address their chosen social issue. Access to computers will be needed for this lesson.